Repetition. The form of the repetition. In repetition only, the stem word is repeated. The following principles apply. A nasal which has replaced a consonant provided the letter is the vowel carrier is repeated, e.g. manoba noba, manoba soba, panopik nopihi, manopik topik, but mangakat-akat, nain, mangakat-akat, mangulite-ulite, mandarik-ulite, madur-udur, etc. There also repeats the nasal where the stem word begins with a vowel, e.g. mengangkat, mengangkat-angkat, angkat, si pengidong-idong, ido, pengaruh-ngaruh, ago. A verb with an M which arises from the infix 61 repeats this nasal if the stem word begins with P, e.g. modom-modom, podom, mate-mate, pate, but mepang-epang, 9 and 62 3A, mogal-ogal, bonggal, 96 and 91, humosa-osa, munggurunggut, mandaling, sumogopo, sorop, etc. Muli 66 2 also repeats with M, hence muli-mulian. The repetition in its entirety of a derived word usually occurs together with the changing of the vowels of the word that is not repeated. See 182. Where this happens after the changing of the vowels, it indicates that the action represented by the word that is not repeated occurs repeatedly, e.g. Mark balik-balik maibana, he turned upside down over and over again because he could not fly against the wind. Where the word is not a derived word, it is not possible from the word to see whether it has been repeated to give it another meaning, e.g. hudul cannot only mean as if one were sitting but just as the unrepeated word to sit, e.g. Di dapat merajai hudul-hudul, the possessed prince was found by him sitting. Tidak mausai payak-payak, the deer was seen by them lying down. Here, the repetition only serves to make the word function as a predicative adjunct of the subject and could have been replaced by nungam 158 9 and CEG RBP 130 118 FB. Even a repeated word as a predicative adjunct of the subject can also assume a form in order to have another meaning, e.g. di dapat manoto-noto, the first person was found by him dancing tidak idik domba jiri-jiri, RBP 11 118, he saw an elk creeping, CFRB P1 P 4110 FB, Huida buluk suha sumotik soti, I see that Suha leaves turning round 170. In diary, where a derived word is repeated in its entirety, it is usually done to strengthen a negative, e.g. ulang kena merubat. RBP 8115 P4116 FB don't always quarrel with each other. Malariduwe gemua magdalan-dalan. RBP 63 12. He did not allow her to go out walking at all. Ulang mo kita miki-miki magdalan-dalan. Don't let us walking anywhere. For modom-modom, for example, in do, it can be seen that the word form can be the reason for the repetition in its entirety of the derived word. For modom, repeated means acting as though one is asleep, lying down with the eyes open. By some, but the suffix is never repeated. Wherever do different words having the same suffix are side by side, the suffix occurs only the last word. See for example, manobak, manaluni in 54 1 in 54b, and soba soluton instead of sombalkon solutokon in 133 2 in M. The meaning of repetition. Modification is the meaning of a word brought about by repetition depends on the meaning of the word. If it represents an action, its repetition usually indicates a repetition of the action, sometimes because the action needs repetition to be completed, so that the repeated word indicates an attempt and therefore 175. In other cases, repetition represents the action as still continuing, hence with psi C158 3a, cf also 169a. On the other hand, a word that represents a condition of a thing or a thing when repeated indicates something that is more or less like the thing represented by that word when not repeated. 171. The following samples will show that these different meanings, depending on usage or context, tend to merge. Repetition of words representing a thing will be dealt with first, the order will then follow. When the non-repeated word represents a thing, the repeated word means something that resembles it in one way or another, e.g., daka-daka, branch-like thing, i.e. the stalk to which the fruit is attached. RBP 138 11 FB, liang-liang, hole-like thing, a small hollow, the kind that is immediately filled by rushing water. Lali-lali, a thing like a bird of prey, i.e. a scarecrow divided of birds in the prairie fields. Manuk, a fabled bird of the kind found in tales about the gods from Manuk Falls, Introduction 2. Buaya, see dictionary in the explanation to plate 2. Halak, see dictionary. Lobu, see dictionary, for example. Dalan, an apparent pet, i.e. one that is not used daily and is more or less known generally. Habok-kabong, that things serving as wings, such as a garment and beam, enabling heavenly beings to fly. Bosi, iron-like, not real iron. Bosi, i.e. a jungle of iron, like rusty nails, lens sharps, etc. Bodat, figures of bodat, like the figures on coffins. Malo for malo, see dictionary. Gulok 32 4e, resembling a snake. Gulok, i.e. a worm in not Mandarin. Hulok 10 is used. See panganon 11a and 169a, food-like things, i.e. sweets man takes home for his family. Nipi 134, to act as two in a dream. Nipi, i.e. to sleepwalk. In these examples, the repetition expresses the speaker's hesitation to give a thing an actual name, has e.g. dipatulakon hayu, IBP 44 120. They start with something, but I don't know what. I can only call it hayu. CF a little further on where the actual destination, Aligodang, is mentioned. In Doli, a youth, and just as the friend garçon, an unmarried male, the unrepeated word is only in use to indicate sex. Bogu, woman, comes from bogu, daughter, and just as Manuk confirms the statement that is made in the introduction to that the word form a general idea is of later date than one which represents a more specific one. Inang and amang 9 come from ina and ama respectively. The nasal can probably be explained from the nasal of the vocative, so that inang and amang represent a person who is addressed as a mother and father respectively, but because inang ina is used in diary as well as in Mandarin and amang in amang in South Mandarin and some dialects of North Mandarin. I am quite willing to reject this explanation in favor of a better one. In some words, the meaning cannot be associated with that of the non-repeated word ECF, e.g. Hiokyong and with Hyong, while in other words the non-repeated word is not in use, e.g. Holy, Huto, then Kuling, etc. The repetition of baju, which has been taken from Malay, is singular. It is not repeated after the prefix mark when this form means a woman who has not her children namak baju. From Hai C 152 3e note. From Dakdanak Bahul Palakpak and Hikyong C 22 4e. Dari just as Malay has pendahun from dahan malu. From Kadi repeated C 146 the dairy has kerang-kerangan from Toba Harangan. From Kanak-Kanak C 22 4 AD. Dairy has the brew 152 1 ops. instead of toba baru-baru, while SMS written in a dialect between Toba and Dairi as nada baru, siap dada baru in Mandarin. Other than these examples, Dairi does not differ, e.g. seringo-seringo IBP 186.16. When the non-repeated word is qualificative verb functioning as a substantive 42, the repeated word means a thing that has a th when characteristic locality represented by non-repeated word, e.g. poso, newly born young of animals, a newly born child from poso, to be young, tabo, fat grease from tabo, rosak from rosak, substantives derived from a verb with the prefix ma 44, which are repeated, have the same form, e.g. ribak from maribak, topa from matopak. The repeated word occurs attributively with the pronoun na. It represents not a thing but a quality more or less resembling that of the non-repeated word, e.g. Goang ni narata-ratai, IBP 44.112. What is the name of those greenish things? Similarly, baru na tua-tuaon, an oldest girl, a not so young woman, a woman who is aging. When the repeated word is a predicate, with the dropping out of the prefix ma, it has the accent on the last syllable and can then function as an adverb or as an adverbial jang 165 for, e.g. godang pangan juhudi. Eat as much of that meat as possible na purana pe nunga godang IBP 1816 FB. Egg battle was also abundant. Repetition of a nominal forms. When the nominal form of an adverb having only a predicate ma 49 is repeated, it means an implement of something that is or can be used as such in order to execute the represented by the verb, e.g. ratsang, mga ratsang, gorit, mang gorit, lobut, mga lobut, soba, manoba, sugbu, mandugbu, sulbut, manul, etc. Such a word can, through it, have an object 159.3, e.g. dibuat musik hayu baik usung nisi job bainon. He used wood as the instrument to carry jonaha, i.e. to make a carrying stick. When the meaning applies to a person, the prefix is used with the repeated word, e.g. si buat pinggan, IBP 125.15 FB, as though I wear something for the finishing of dishes. Mandarin has pole in the hata begusia to indicate food. It really means that which serves the people to regard the spirits and comes from a verb, not fall into desuetude, mamele in Doba, C51, 5 A particular act and frequently an offense, e.g. bunuh jorma, manslaughter, tako napukan, death of battle, subu siap in one action, gobang, etc. Topot, though it does not mean an offense represents an act that is anything but amiable, see dictionary. The repetition of this nominal form seldom means what has arisen as a consequence of the action represented by the verb, e.g. tuda, goris, see dictionary, dari IBP 149.1a FB. Gana, an image, mangana, to give something, e.g. a piece of wood, the form of an image. The meaning of gana must also be the reason that mangana is used, as well as mangana as the second constituent of a compound word with a particular meaning, see dictionary. Only the non-repeated gana is used, e.g. tonggal gana, dairi. A repeated substantive consisting of the stem word of a verb with m from the infix such as aus, mouse, regularly occurs. Repetition of substantives with the suffix an. A repeated substantive carrying the suffix an, which has already been shown many times, also gives a plural meaning, has not only a collective meaning but can also represent a thing that is usually the object of a certain act. In this last case, it is derived from a nominal form and must be regarded as a passive verbal substantive. CF 134 examples are suat, suanan, seedlings, saplings, what is usually planted, when a plant or a tree that is cultivated, IBP 69.1.2FB, utejau suat suanan ni begu, a jambu tree planted or cultivated by a spirit or spirits, pahanan mandailing. What it is once 1 to 10 Marmahan 53 to ops or feed Marmahan a domestic animal or animals, e.g. cattle, buffaloes, horses, dogs, pigs or birds. Pinahan Intoba gadis-gadisan, see dictionary, bayan-bayanan, whatever is effected, some act or other mandating RBP 216 14FB. Pulug-pulugan, what it is used, what is usual to bring together mamurung, i.e. the ingredients of which something is made, tabat-tabanan, what it is usual to take a slow manaban, i.e. cattle, woman, goods, etc. When such a substantive is derived from a genuine substantive, it summarizes as a unit all their things that embrace by what the later word means, e.g. patak-patangan is everything that is forbidden at a ceremony. Jaya-jayan, all kinds of misfortunes, everything that has an unfavorable significance. Muni-munihan, raja-rajan, gua-guan, see dictionary. Goa-goaran, everything that has a specific name, all kinds of things, e.g. Goa-goaran, idurut, hayu, everything that comes at the door and hayu CFRBP 282 16FB P 283 11. Bau-bauan appears to have been taken from Malay and also tahu-tahuan. Podo-podoman, in order as it were to sleep there, is a repeated passive verbal substantive. The diary has betoh-betohan not only with the meaning of one who is in a position to devise ways and means with pikirin as the object, IBP 11.14FB, but also with that of everyone who knows how to make something, IBP 61.118. Repetition of intransitive verbs with the infix An intransitive verb with the infix when repeated, means that a thing takes place repeatedly or that it can be observed to take place continuously. Hence also with psi, IBP 157 111P 109 13FB, or that it can be perceived by the sense organs. The repeated verb, according to usage and to context, may also represent something that more or less resembles the content of the verb. For example, modem cannot only mean to sleep with the eyes open, to lie as though one is sleeping when one is not, but also to sleep, i.e. the continuing of the act of sleeping and its being observed. For example, I found him sleeping. On the other hand, mate really means half dead or someone who has had a drubbing, etc. So that in I come across him that cannot be translated with mate, but with nunga mate. This is logical because being dead is a condition which cannot be discontinued. Further examples are sumotik-soting, CF 169 2a, mekalekal, to be loving, to love quietly, mesehesek, to be loving, because one is pleased about something or because one is flattered, mududuk, IBP 44 118, to be stooping, to stoop now and then, Meoleo 153, merang-erang, to wander, to walk once out pleasure, dumat sadatsa, dumurut-durut, sumobit songmin, humusa-usa, mabalabal, mubang-ubang, mepang-epang, etc. The M is repeated in mouse sounds to be completely worn out mouse sounds. In this example, the repetition of the M must be attributed to the meaning. Repetition of verbs with the prefix mang. A verb with the prefix mang, when repeated, represents at one time the action represented as something that takes place repeatedly, the repetition being either an attempt to effect something or the direction of the action towards different undefined direct or indirect objects. At another time, the act is represented as something that resembles the act meant by the non-repeated word. It can also be used to strengthen a negative. One of these meanings is being used can only be determined from the context of also 169 2a. The following examples will elucidate this point. Bagaimana sila tudoba nalimuton tuharangan rabagaya mananginangi suara ni Pidong na malo maghata-hata. ABP 6416 FP. They went off to the ancient forest and vast wilderness in order to listen everywhere for the voice of the bird that can talk. Here the verb is repeated because the listening took place at different unspecified places in the forest in which they were walking. Ima binay di hurut-tarut, 14 gana-gana tabu-tabu. The images must be so placed they appear to be beating into those gods. Sa digodang-godangi ABP 185 1 to FB, music was constantly played by him over the aforesaid things. Sa day ABP 187 1 4, the Pangulo Balang was constantly being celebrated by him in song. He was always murmuring formulas, giving a name to each part of the Pangulo Balang as a bere-bere 102 di panganan mo manuk sa ladang IBP 158 112 FB. After that, he always presented food to the bedside ladang, i.e. he gave it food daily. Asa itangan-tangan kating ko kapanden na. Diary IBP 254 14, so that though he would keep an eye on his work. Ajari ako 121 1D. Try to explain to me how I must do it. Ikut di RBP 157 117. They always found the text that they had found of the missing man. Maniris Mandeling RBP 217 110. While in drops of rain, Manatap RBP 157 14. He sat in that tree, peering at what was happening in the distance. 49. Ethiop ABP 125 15. He had a tongue lightly in his hands, playing with it as a child does. But dugu to keep oneself apart by keeping this to the side, i.e. to be shy, mangango to sniff at someone. Save of a buffalo which smells a different parts of person's body in order to recognize him. Asadong silopa-lopa panganon nami ABP 17, ABP 16 180 so that there is something who can cook something for us. Where lopa not repeated here, panganon would be specified. Variants of those verbs that have 63. One repeated have a form with the prefix ba, e.g. Nunga sudat morum siputi boksu oluwan pabigi-bigi suwaga ni kodangi. ABP 123 115. Boksu oluwan could not sleep at all because he was continually hearing the sound of that music. The method of expressing a repeated verb is especially used in the passive with the principal form, e.g. Kanok bodagi sa di po jow da tuwito dinimusunai lao mga tugagagagay. Each evening, the Datu tries to invite the souls of his enemies to come to eat in the raga-raga, in which example, di pa jojo is the passive of majojo. Pinatongon-tongon, ABP 139.1.1. They should try to eat manongoni, the stems di pa dila RBP 71.1.3. The lick continually at it, but did to lick at something. Balbal si pasugo doi. RBP 84 110 FB. It is a cudgel that can be dispatched as a servant. i.e. can be made to do manure things like a human being. Di pa pili-pili ami si pahulon na sombaw ni. The maga si pahulon customarily give wood mamili to that sombaw as a consequence one finds hapatangitangin and hapaidaida 109 in the passive, despite the fact that one uses mananginangi above and mardida 49 obs. The prefix pa can even occur in the active, but this usually happens in the verbal jang or intent or while being occupied with or simultaneously is expressed, e.g. Saya mulahulak do to so para sanggol. Abibi 103 for they come here every now and then to get flowers for hair decoration. Pasagi anak na RBP 37 110. Always thinking of your son penap ugasan ini RBP RBP 277 9. World Berurayam was busy picking up her things. Often the repetition of these verbs does not therefore deviate in form from those which in the active always have the prefix 66, e.g. Ida Pewawa na Jupa Hujuri, I shall tell a soul that the land has been found. Pabuaon unang di pabuabuan barang tuise ABP 144 117, so that they won't speak of me to anyone, i.e. they'll tell no one that I'm here. Kupasuman di IBP 143 14. Thus all I try to do, pasumankan di pasoti-soti at 121 is 121 1 is not in opposition to manoting, but no pasoti-sotikon, which in turn to comes direct from sumot-soting, similarly di pahosikosing from pahosikon, which comes from hosikosing. In the same way, there is pagodang-godang from pagodakon, which comes from pagodang, e.g. di pagodang-godang anak nai, he educated his son, literally controlling made him great. As arong pasulak sulahomu, so that there is someone that you use as your a messenger, or for doing other things for pasulakon. For a comparison between pasulasulahon in this example and si pasugusugan above, it can be seen that the two words which in the active acquire different form can, when used in the passive in the repeated form, become alike. Repetition of the simple form on verbs with the prefix mang. The simplest form of verbs with the prefix mang can also be repeated. The accent is then moved in the ultimate syllable, jalak from majalak to search, e.g. a room, joe from manjo, pio RBP 302 116. Word of this kind, when repeated, usually cited by the making of a sound that continues for some time, less often do. They indicate movement of some direction. The verbal counterpart does not always exist, e.g. peyok-peyok to be cackling, of false siok-siok, nyak-nyak, ngaw-ngaw, behet-behet, meong-meong, nguek-nguek. See dictionary, raja-raja to be saying raja 164, onga-onga, borak-borak, kotek-kotek. See dictionary, lalo-lalo to be shaking of the ground, e.g. in the quick lalo, gumi-gumi 61a, batuk-batuk. So one finds, as opposed to mahuso 79a, huso e.g. nungai huso manasida to dia apa sisaringgupan dek upon the color, asking rather where is saringgupan of two. Ada sample di Jojo maboguni begui beta mahita to huta ni nata. The spirit's daughter call out, come, let us go to my mother's village. A word that is repeated in this way is not only used as a predicate, as in this example, but frequently as a predicative adjunct. For example, C150 and 165.62. Less often is a word repeated in this way placed at the beginning as a predicate in order to make the clause of preclose e.g. langa halak, gope au tu paramahanan. As soon as the people have been out, I shall go to the pasture. If the number goes as simple of this manner of repetition as studied, it will be clear that it occurs especially with words that by the form alone. So the onomatopic character C38 ops 52 5 ops. It shows particularly borne in mind that if the accent is on the penultimate syllable, the repeated word is a substantive 19-1. Say hulis with hulis manuk siok a fall that is so large that it can step over a step corresponded as a definition of the extent to which the bird has ground, with siok given earlier when such words as a prefix, rasen sits, hands mabehet, Darius menananda humsenda 153 D. With a literal meaning of to make someone, so to speak, the object of senda steya. CFD Chundari understanding P140 P15417 polyholihi repeated continually. IBP 14414. There is the differentiation of secondary A to B and CF 687. Hence, mehek diary C behet 3013. I use this example precisely because in it the H, the H occurs as a fluid consonant 52 5 ops, notwithstanding the dialects representing the H of the over. With occur even in onomatopic words as an unduku 31 or 2, can one conclude from this that mehek such as keceu 10 ops has been taken from Toba. I do not believe it has. I presume that car between identical vowels is a hardening of the ha, which is the most natural transitional consonant in such a case. The Sundanese is therefore a remnant for the time when these languages did not use a car between vowels. How can one account otherwise from the fact that Sundanese has a car just as they read Malay in Javanese against as are in Toba? Division of verbs with the prefix mark. Verbs having the prefix mark when repeated differ in meanings according to whether or not they are derived for a repeated substantive. When they are so derived, they only mean the having of etc. 52, that which the repeated substantive represents, e.g. Marilu IBP 198.15, to have that which resembles tears, i.e. not real tears, such as those shed in sorrow, but wetness due to stinging smoke, etc. Magoding to help oneself to an oding, i.e. making use of something as a hideout, e.g. magoding maho ditunas na dibonadakaon, IPP 292.19 FB. Use the leaves growing on those lower branches as seed, i.e. conceal yourself behind the leaves on the main trunk. Magtongal langit 139 footnote suspend in the atmosphere, literally making use of something which is like the middle of heaven in the atmosphere as an adverbial adjunct. IBP 159.14 and 117 FB. When, however, the repetition is one of the whole verb, the meaning is that of continually, something that is constantly happening, constantly being done, or that one does something as it were, not in reality, e.g. bongin, constantly to pass the night, to stay somewhere night after night, to stay, to use stratagems in one way or another, on and off with the object of deceiving a person or of bringing about his ruin, hata to act as if it speaks, save of a bird that cannot really speak, but can say a few words only, also said a person possessed by a spirit and who speaks in a strange language not known to human beings. Mariehie or Maihoiho Mandeling Tunei. Both meanings can mark e.g. Magunungut to make a slightly muffled sound. For example, when a person stops RBP 31 and also the destination of Agat Gutung can also be derived from that can also be derived direct from Urgadugut. As a matter of course, the repeated verb can also be repeated as an endeavor or a similar e.g. madalandalan to walk. Overjoyed at the toddling stage, Mexico to swear like a sickle ear, see 50 to 1 b. Such a verb can also be in the passive, or it can have the form of a substantive e.g. pagodang-godang majolo bului. Try to use that bamboo as a musical instrument. Pagadong manakbogo na matuis dihita soga paghata honokon 132. Or if there may be someone for another maga who disdains us, or even desiring to be spoken to, ia aman isi jobai ragan mangulu idang mangulu pagutang-utang. Abp 22:110. Throughout his life, Jonah's father was not a maga of depths, was not one to make depths. Repetition when the word without the prefix is placed before the prefix form is served at the same sudut mas sudut, passing from generation to generation. For example, princely title. Satik masatihan, ijaging maksijangingan as substantives determined by verbs. Diary as magnida-nida IBP 266:15 to do as if one looks on, i.e. to be an empathy observer of a quarrel. Mertua tuahi IBP 110:14 to keep saying of someone he's lucky. Merentat-entatkan to carry something round with someone, say of a woman with child, beranak-anakan to have many offspring. Repetition of our verbs with the prefix masi and the suffix an. Verbs with the compound prefix masi and the suffix an. 77 when repeated mean and endeavor to perform something better than another person, rivalry, e.g. masih tai-taitan IBP 137:1-FB, to have a tug of war with each other to see who can pull manite the harder, masih jolon-joloan, to try to be before each other, from Majolowani, from Jolowan 134:2E. Then closing end of the first part is perhaps attributable to this. With intransitive verbs, rivalry is also expressed by maradu-adu, followed by the stem word e.g. maradu-adu ikat, to work hard, marikat, against each other. Mandailing the repeated verbs mean something that is done mutually and repeatedly, e.g. Marsi sagbutan 77 to bite majabut each other repeatedly. Marsi tombom-tomboman repeatedly to haul manabobkon each other down to the ground. Reciprocity can, however, also can be expressed by the stem words being repeated before the reform, e.g. susat manusatkon. Diary has mercy sahuten 77 repeatedly to wish each other luck. For example, on taking leave of each other, RBP 83:113 FB. Mercy sayang-sayangan, always to treat each other with love, or in appropriatory manner. Mercy ajar-ajaran RBP 39:114 to try to set each other right. Mercy win RBP 27:19 FB. V39:115 to try to make things agreeable for each other to agree menguai with each other. Verbs with the prefix maxi. Verbs with the compound prefix maxi, word repeated, have a meaning which is not always connected with that where the stem word is not repeated. Often, such a verb with a repetition does not exist. Examples are maxi butong-butong, to try to eat until one is as full as possible. Maxi gono to be noisy, of a multitude, Maxi monang to say monang on both sides. Say of a buyer and the seller each wishing out the other again. Maxi talu to call out talu to one's adversary, saying, if I am wrong, may I be vanquished. IBP 286, 1 FB, Maxi gabe, etc. Repetition of verbs with the prefix pa. Repetition of verbs with the prefix pa has been done within 64A. Repetition of numerals. A repeated numeral is used as an adverbial chunk in order to indicate that what the verb in the sentence of a clause represents occurs either alternately or consecutively, which is sada-sada na sida mamoksani. They have to carry that one by one or in turns on their shoulders. Sada-sada mukene kene lobekan romi lambung kuena. They come here with me one by one. Sabola sehari makilhil. 184. Choose that the sugar cane in pieces, piece by piece, IBP 43, 116 FP. As a predicate, the repeated numeral. As a distributory meaning, e.g., sakolak gijang ni hayun na pinonggolan nai. The length of the piece of wood cut by him into pieces was 6 feet. The length of each piece was 6 feet. Pitu riap na sariritan in rows of 7 each. Each work is seen his sunspots. The sunspots on his body. An example of a repeated numeral with the suffix na or sa has already been given. 151 8B. Another is Toluna ABP 7917 FB. All three, the three of you, for Maradu City Chunagan Deradu, for Maraduna Dairy C60D. Irregular forms of repetition. Some irregularities occur with repetition which would not justify time spent reading of them because no result of importance would be produced, e.g. Toba used Paimaima as well as Maimaima 66C, but there has only Mema, of which the second passive Pema is often used, e.g. Onggomo kami ngungalan memasa BP 912. We are already tired of always waiting for him. Gomoma Chumbari Nina Polay Janta Umpungta Mema Kono IBP 8017 FP. The palm one is in our master's chanter CC has become so just waiting for you. CFRB 8517 FP. Ulang kini inang terpema bangku ABP 82112 FP. Don't wait for me, my dearest daughters, it is in vain. Imperative pamatematehon to trust someone have that 174 is used. The second passive is takpate-pate. It is son of takpate-pate pe hubelbel. I shall give him a sound thrashing. Similarly, there occurs the bagay. He modifies him with promises. Repetition of a qualificative verb can also distribute the quality over each of things mentioned, e.g. dengan, bisa, dari RBP 42-111, all were capable, gomok dari RBP 181P. In addition to harakadangan, what one is accustomed to carry on the shoulders 173, there is akadangan. The form of this word can equally well be explained as coming from a hadang instead of harakadang 22 for A. The suffix an and the omission of the first her as from a hadangan 134N with the prefix ada with the prefix ang 135 for from panganiganion, panogonogon, and similar words indicating the having of disease or infirmities. See 134. Words such as liyang ni liyangan, solok sinolohan, hopung hinobungan, etc. CF 115 3A cannot really be put in the category of repetitions, the more so because they are often used in elevated language. If the passive there is dipaporoporum, despite the fact that dipamedapedap is used, e.g. dipaporoporum ma pangalahon asongon na pamedapedap, he acted as though he were asleep, closing his eyes. The meaning of ditonga-tongani approximately in the middle of RBP 65-119, P41 119 FB is to be ascribed to the use of tonga mentioned in 161. Manogot-nogot means so early in the morning, RBP 156 111 FB. While si manogot-nogot as an adverb based in the early morning, words such prepositions which do not express an idea are seldom repeated, but an example is taktian-tian dia mulani rohat tubuh natian panali masih dependebi 84. What may be the cause of the feeling rising within you, i.e. what has brought love into being? It comes from places that are more or less close, i.e. from eyes which the fluttering of their eyelids, so that we long for each other. Love song. Bolong-bolong RBP 147-16 FB, to be more or less thrown aside, to be cast off. Repetition of the same word in clauses connected with each other has already been dealt with on P314, but other examples are Sauta tobal pat ni Jorma, sauta tobal pat tangan, sauta tobal bakurak. RBP 143 110. The inhabitants of the one village consist only of legs, the other however only of hands, another again only of skulls. Mo di sima na mangido, di sido na leonon, di sima na magtunggu, di sido na garagon. RBP 94 111 FB. If there is one who demands that the thing must be given, and if there is no one who insists on payment, the payment must be made. Disihinan dipagohon disido didapot. RBP 310 113 FB. He found them where he had set up earlier na say na adong sipanganon inon na say pinangaton. RBP 309 120 FB. One should eat whatever there is, i.e. one takes what is given to eat, even though there is not much of it. Molosongoni ni musongoni. RBP 85-13. If it is as you say, then so be it. Ia molosongoni ni nagajata songoni matutu. RBP 56-19. Whatever the prince desires, we abide by it.